Hey, here we go. We're looking at this Ruger Mini14 Trigger assembly. I wanted to show it to you here. So as you can see, it looks like a very simple, very rugged, very durable trigger system. And guess what? It is. That's what it's designed for, right? Some people have put on, and everybody's got a different opinion on triggers, right? This is a two-stage trigger. You can see when I pull back a little bit here, right? I pull, see how it kind of comes into the back end of the hammer, and then it's still sitting on the sear. Let's say, the beauty of two-stage triggers, I go, oops, I better not take that shot, or I can't, or something. I let go, it fully re-engages, you're fully safe. This particular trigger group releases at 5.5 pounds. I've tested this particular one right here. I've also, and I don't recommend this on everything, I've put it in the oven and heated it up for a few hours. I pulled it out with some heavy gloves, 5.5 pounds of trigger pull. I threw it in the freezer and I went to bed. I came out the next morning and I tested it, 5.5 pounds of trigger pull. It was raining one day. I threw it outside next to my air conditioner and it got full of mud and mulch and water, and brought it inside, rinsed it off, 5.5 pounds of trigger pull. It's a beauty to behold. Some people have said, well, it's kind of gritty. It's kind of this. It's kind of whatever. Hey, it's kind of a wonderful trigger. It's crisp. It breaks like glass. It's awesome. How many Glock fans do we have out there? That's what I thought. 5.5 pounds trigger pull on a Glock. Nobody's complaining. 5.5 pounds is your friend. I know this may fly in the face of some other opinions, and if you have a particular gun and you want a lighter trigger weight, it's free will, make it lighter. However, this is a camp gun. It's a field gun, a bush rifle, something you can throw in your saddlebag and you can go all day, all night. It can fall in the river. You can come back tomorrow, rinse it off, throw a magazine in it, and you're good to go. It's designed to shoot all day long. And 5.5 pounds is your friend, especially in the wintertime with the field rifle, when your fingers are all fat with thick gloves because it's cold outside. And that little 2mm creep on the first stage of that two-stage trigger, right? You're going to eat all that up, shoving your fat finger in that trigger guard. And then there's enough weight so that you feel the purchase against the sear of that trigger, so you don't have some kind of negligent discharge doing something that's going to make you and a lot of other people very unhappy. Take the time, practice a lot, write it down, be consistent, be very thorough, and in the end, you'll just super enjoy this gun. It's a wonderful gun. They did an awesome job in making this. It shoots anywhere, anytime, any place. So enjoy it. Thank you.